Sharm El Sheikh is an Egyptian resort town between the desert of the Sinai Peninsula and the Red Sea. This city also gained a lot of recognition from the recent COP27 event by United Nations and is also identified as UNESCO City of Peace and Charm. Watch this video till the end to know what this magical city has to offer.
Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Some Sugar Some Spice. I am Simi and this is part 3 of my series exploring Egypt. If you want to check any other videos related to your stay in Egypt or planning your Egypt trip, you can check my other videos from the Egypt playlist. For now, we will talk about Sharm El Sheikh. Even before visiting Egypt, we also had any idea that this city called Sharm El Sheikh could show you the beauty of Red Sea with so many surprises. So today in this video, I'll share 2 ways in which you can explore Sharm El Sheikh, or I would rather say enjoy Sharm El Sheikh to its fullest. In fact, many tourists from Europe, Russia, or even the nearby Middle Eastern countries come just to Sharm El Sheikh to have a wonderful beach vacation.
So without a further ado, let's get started with our video.
Coming to the itinerary part, you need at least 3 days to fully explore Sharm El Sheikh and enjoy there. Now, the first way in which you can explore Sharm El Sheikh is to have yourself booked a resort with an all-inclusive package. Now, when I say all-inclusive package, it means that in your stay, along with your breakfast, you have your lunch, your dinner, and even unlimited beverages, whatever you like. So we chose to stay at Rixos Premium Seagate and Royal Savoy. Now there were different reasons why we chose these places for our stay, and I have made complete separate videos on both of these resort experiences, so you can check them out. Now the second way to explore Sharm El Sheikh is to have a resort to yourself. Now you can keep a budget resort to yourself and then you can explore outside and see many other amazing places in Sharm El Sheikh. If you have budget and if you have more days with you, then you can combine both these things. So the very first thing which you must not miss in Sharm El Sheikh is to explore the underwater coral reefs and the marine life. After all, it's the Red Sea coast and Sharm El Sheikh is one of the world's best sites to explore the marine life, coral reefs, and to do your snorkeling and scuba diving. Now this you can do obviously if you have booked a nice resort, you can go to the access points from there and do it. But if not, then you can go to the Ras Mohammad National Park and White Island. You can book a complete one-day trip, start from your hotel, for the full day explore the place, do snorkeling, scuba diving, and by the night come back to your hotel. You can check all these details from the links in my description and you can book one of such tours for yourself. Second most important place which you definitely not miss in Sharm El Sheikh is the Soho Square. So I'll show you what Soho Square is.
So if you are looking to spend your entire evening and a long way to the night, then Soho Square is the place to be. It features a square mile of restaurants, shops, and a dazzling dancing fountain at the center. This place is located right next to the Savoy and Royal Savoy hotels, and that's the reason we chose to stay in Royal Savoy for one of our days in Sharm El Sheikh. You can find many beautiful cafes and lounges in Sharm El Sheikh, but one place which I must mention is the Farsha Cafe or the Farsha Mountain Lounge. This cafe is located in the Hadaba area of Sharm El Sheikh and about 10 minutes drive from the old market of Sharm. The place is a must to visit. The view is stunning. The lovely mixed Ottoman, Bedouin and ancient decor gives it amazing sense, and you can have some of the best sunset views ever. This place is very popular and gets crowded easily, so make sure you visit right before sunset.
So this completes my list of exploring places and things to do in Sharm El Sheikh. If you have any questions, any suggestions, do let me know in the comment section. And if you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.